In this video, you will understand how the heart functions. Heart pumps the blood and produces heartbeat. Completion of one heartbeat is called cardiac cycle. It involves rhythmic contraction and relaxation of heart muscles. Contraction of heart muscle is known as systole and relaxation is known as diastole. Contraction means reducing in size and relaxation means increasing in size. To complete one cardiac cycle, there are 3 steps involved in this. First is joint diastole, second is arterial systole, third is ventricular systole. When these 3 steps completes, one cardiac cycle get completed. This is how the rhythmic contraction and relaxation appears in human heart. The first step of cardiac cycle is joint diastole. Joint diastole is the time when all the muscles of all 4 chambers are in relaxed form, and at this time the blood returns to the heart in the low pressure through the veins. In the right side of atrium, it gets the deoxygenated blood from vena cava, and left auricle receives the oxygenated blood from pulmonary vein. When the first step is completed, then the second step occurs and it is arterial systole. Systole means contraction. In the second step, both of the arteries contract and increases the pressure, due to which the bicuspid and tricuspid valves opens and the blood from arteries move into the ventricles. Third step is ventricular systole. When blood reaches to the ventricles, then the ventricles contracts and produces a pressure, due to which from the right ventricle blood moves to lungs through the pulmonary artery, and from the left ventricle the oxygenated blood reaches to the different parts of body through the artery. With these 3 steps, one cardiac cycles get completed. The walls of ventricles are thick because they need to pump out the blood with the greater pressure from these chambers.